Good morning, Hussars Heroes. I am using Snagit today and just doing a quick flip 5. So today is April, which is 11th. And we're going to go through a little bit of inverse function review so that we can just do a quick flip on logs and exponentials. So that is going to be our focus today, is on logs and exponentials. So let's go ahead and do it. Inverse of a relation. To get an inverse of a relation, you exchange the x and y coordinates of all the points by exchanging x and y variables in the equation. Another way of doing that visually is to look to see if it is a reflection over the line y is equal to x. And so this line that we see right here as a reflection point, as a reflection line for the black and red graphs on both graphs. This graph in particular here is what we are actually going to be talking about in the next slide, which is logs. A logarithm is, and you probably want to take notes on this, so write this down. Logarithm is the logarithm of the base b of a positive number y is defined as y equals b to the x, then log base b of y is equal to x. All this is really is just an exchange of formatting. So say that my easiest way of remembering this, let's just start there. I know that 10 squared is equal to what? 100, right? Right, so there's that. Well then, log base what? Base 10, which is the most common base there is. If you just hit log in a calculator, it means base 10. You can have a different base, but for this one, our base is 10. Well, of what? What's our y? Y is 100. Is equal to what? Well, it's a 2, right? So you can see all we do is just take this, something that we know is an easy fact right now, and format it, and now it's a log. This is exponential because it's got an exponent. That's why it's called an exponential function. And this is a log. Which one of these do you think is exponential or log? I'll let you think about that for a second. Maybe think about it. Exponential. Exponential. Does exponential make you think of getting bigger or smaller? I think of getting bigger. Which one looks like it's getting bigger? Well, in fact, this is our exponential graph. And this is our log graph. Okay, that's all I want to do for today, really. I'll see if I can leave you with a couple. See if you can write these in log form. So take 4 squared equals 16. Take 5 cubed equals 125. And take 10 to the 4th equals x. You can solve for x or you can leave that one as x. So there's 3 problems here I want you to do. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this is part of your notes. So thank you, and this is due on Tuesday. So I'll write this on here. This is due on Tuesday when we come back, which would be the 15th. That's Tuesday, April 15th. Okay, and I'll see you all then.